All right, so in this video we are required to solve this algebraic equation, and of course to solve an equation like this, the first thing we need to do is to collect like terms. In a case like this, how do I know? Because this is an algebraic equation in one variable, it's actually in variable x, so I can bring 1 plus 1 over 3x to this side to become minus 1 over 3. But before I do that, let me rewrite this equation. So if I want to rewrite 7 over 3x, I can rewrite it as 7x over 3 minus what? 8 over 1 is equal to what? 6 over 1 plus what? 1 times x, that is what? X over 3. That is another way to rewrite this particular what? Equation. So now let's now collect what? Like terms. So collect what? Like what terms. So if we collect like terms, what we are going to be having is we are going to be having what? 7x over 3. Then this plus x over 3 coming here would be what? Minus what? X over 3 will now be equal to what? 6 over 1. Then minus 8 coming to this side plus what? Plus 8. Okay, so 3 is common to both denominator. We already know that 7x over 3 minus x over 3 will give us 6x over 3. But let me just find the LCM because of some people that may not get the logic. So the LCM of 7x over 3 and x over 3 will be 3, right? So 3 and 3, 1 times 7x, that is 7x. Then minus 3 and 3, 1 times x, that is what? X is equal to 6 plus 8 will give us what? 14. So 7x minus x will give us what? 6x over what? 3 is equal to 14. 3 here, 1, 3 and 6, that is 2. So 2x is equal to what? 14. So x is equal to what? 14 over 2. 14 divided by 2 would give us 7. So the value of x that will make the left-hand side of that equation to be equal to the right-hand side is what? Is 7. So that is that about that. All right, so I believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and if you feel like supporting what we do, please kindly check my about, where my profile, the profile picture of this particular tutorial is, to see the necessary information on how to get about it. So see you in the next video. Thank you.